Okay, what is this, a Buick Lucerne?
Yep.
Okay, let's get under there. Let's get under there. Okay, what we see is exhaust and right there. Okay, underneath the gasket is out, right?
Yeah.
So I can get a picture. Yeah, the gasket is blown out. You got that, and the nuts and stuff have never come apart. They're just rusted. There really is no nut. It just rested onto the boat now. So there's no way this can come off unless it can get burnt off. And actually this is going to have to be completely replaced with a new flange. Alright, and you start it up. It has an exhaust leak coming right from there. You can see the other nut right there that's on the boat that's rusty. That is definitely just corroded off. Okay.
So you don't take the exhaust out to get the flame out of this, you know what I said?
Yeah, the exhaust
Doesn't have to.
order. Well, that never been loose, because if it was, then you had to burn those out and put new bolts out anyway. So, okay, that's all I need to have. That's all that need to be done.